Hello everyone. I decided to make this video because I have been silent. I have been harassed. I have been intimidated for the longest of times. And I'm here emotional today because I wasn't granted a protection order. Now, I'm not going to say names because I don't know the implications. But I'm going to tell you guys everything. I have been protecting this man for far too long. And all the other women that have come to me for assistance, I will also come at them. This man lied in the court of law, saying he went under my arm as tall as he is, when he knows very well that he hit me. He struck my hand twice and pushed me into our marital property. I don't feel safe, as he is also psychologically messing with my children, which is why I had to stand up and fight for myself. He called my children, telling my children to stop this whole case. And my child was crying. My child told me that he doesn't feel like a child anymore because of the divorce, because he's got new siblings, and so many other things. I am tired, and I am saying I am now going to talk. I am going to spare absolutely nothing that has happened which in my marital home. This is just an opener to say, women, we need to stop protecting these men. We keep saying we are trying to build a black nation, and that's what I was trying to do. I did not want to be that woman to break down a man who so many love, but that man is breaking me down, and I am saying enough. Today is the last time I am silenced by any cause but my own, and that is GBV. Today is the last day I will speak. To all the media houses, be aware that I will be doing a press conference. And in that press conference, I will bring evidence, I will bring text messages, I will bring absolutely everything that was lied about. I will tap phones, all kinds of crazy things. I will. This is not me being emotional. Yes, I am emotional. But this is me standing up for myself. This is me stopping the secrecy. This is me showing what actually happened. It's not pretty, but it has to happen. We try to uphold our black men, but our black men constantly try to pull us down. Constantly try to prove how inferior we are. Black women, we are not inferior. This is it. This is it. And this is me saying I am not pulling back. If I didn't do this video, I know myself, I would have pulled back once more and kept quiet. I would have retreated and stopped. But everything, yonke into. Have yourselves a good day. Where do you end this video? I see some of you men saying he can tell his side. I'm more than happy for that to happen. I'm more than happy to be painted the angry black woman that didn't look after his kids or that didn't cook on a Sunday. That's not all I am. I am more than willing to bring all the people that have said, you know what? He came to us and said, you know what? You shouldn't work. So Kubegan, let's see the mud on your faces after this. Let's see. You can say I dated mang. It doesn't matter. I have proof that you have paid people 15K to write nonsense about me. Try me.